there are words in English that almost everyone uses the wrong way? Even advanced learners, and sometimes even native speakers, fall into these traps. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you 10 common words that people often misuse. And of course, I'll explain the correct way to use them. Stay with me till the end, because you might be shocked to realize you've been saying some of these wrong your whole life. Number 1, literally. Many people say, "I was literally dying of laughter." That's wrong. Literally means exactly true, not an exaggeration. So the correct way? I was figuratively dying of laughter. Number 2, ultimate. Some say, this is the ultimate phone, meaning the best. But ultimate actually means the final or the last in a series. If you want to say the best, it's better to use words like greatest or top-notch. Number 3, ironic. People often use it when they mean coincidence. Like, it's ironic that it rained today. That's not irony. Real irony is when the opposite of what you expect happens. Like a fire station burning down. Number 4, peruse. Most people think it means to skim quickly, as in, I quickly perused the book. That's wrong! Peruse actually means to read carefully and in detail. Number 5, enormity. You may hear, the enormity of the building amazed me. That's not correct. Enormity means extreme evil, not just something huge. If you want to describe size, say enormousness. Number 6, bemused. Some say, I was bemused by the comedy show, thinking it means amused. That's wrong. Bemused actually means confused, not entertained. Number 7, disinterested. Often people use it as, she's disinterested in the game, meaning not interested. But disinterested really means neutral or unbiased. If you mean not interested, the right word is uninterested. Number 8, redundant. Here's a common one. Extra free gift is redundant. Most think it means just unnecessary, but redundant actually means repetitive or needlessly repeated. Number 9, irregardless. You've heard this before, irregardless of the problem. But here's the truth. Irregardless isn't even a proper word in formal English. The correct word is simply regardless. Number 10, nauseous. People say, I feel nauseous. But originally, nauseous means causing nausea, not feeling it. The correct way is, I feel nauseated. So, how many of these words surprised you? Be honest. Have you been misusing literally or ironic without even noticing? Don't worry, even native speakers get these wrong. The important thing is to notice the small differences and start using the right word with confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check the description. I've added a free study planner to help you organize your English learning week by week. See you in the next video.